According to Google, you are already using one of my Google Chrome extensions. So let me give you another one as a free gift to say thanks. And yes, if you didn't understand already, this is my AI-generated voice. This software that I will give you for free, yes free, if you click this ad, will help you easily leverage your friends' birthdays to start conversations and build relationships, and also generate leads and make sales. It's a software that makes me money every single day on autopilot. It's a birthday wishing software. It will message your Facebook friends up to 7 days before their birthday, message them on their birthday and post on their wall, and message them up to 7 days after their birthday. Each message can be personalized, including a dynamic personalized image. That's 4 touch points. I use it every day to send messages and start conversations. On people's birthdays, I give them the birthday wishing software for free. After they get a free account, I have a few things they can buy. And every day I get traffic to my funnel, more people on my email list, and at least one person gives me money every day. And the whole process is fully automated. So if you want this free gift from me, just click the link in this ad and sign up for your free account. No credit card required.